I know I've changed my YouTube name a bunch of times, but now I'm sticking with Whoa. That's a big thing. But I'm sticking with this name. Welcome to Reverse Engineering. Why is there a big stick? Look at that stick. You see that stick? Stick it. Just gonna look at this. But no, we're gonna revolutionize car mechanics and all of that stuff. As I know I will always do. Now, we're in a nice spot to build a car, some off-roading action. Now, I'm going to use my aerodynamic. And let's use a seat. This weighs less. Right? Perfectly in the middle. That's good enough. I'm too lazy. Alright. Starting off. Nope. Engine. You know, you need an engine to move around. It's just basics. We need a dragon engine. Because why would you not want a dragon these? It's going to be looking like a car. Anyways, now I'm going to add a bull. Okay. So this is basically like the basics of the world. So the boring stuff. Now I'm gonna need some hinges, you know, this crap. You know, I've always wanted to do a buggy. What if we did that? Yeah, we're doing a buggy. I need some more mechanical stuff, like a suspension spring. And then we need the classic, the wheels. Now I'm going to take some off-roading cars, because why would you have suspension? Look at this, it's rusty. Of course it's off-roading. Why would it not? It's not never seen a car then. Right? Oh, this is ugly. Nope. No, our car needs to be fast and real good while doing it. Now, how do I do that? Let's do this. Yes. Yes. No. No. What? Sure, that works. Works with me, at least. Now we need some armor. Or this crap. There we go. There we go. Yes. We're already at 101.7 kilograms. There's only 22 things on this. Why? That's a lot of damage. Man. Let's add some air ducts. I don't know what that does. Just heard of it in the news. Nope. You know, look like them panels. Now some more aerodynamic. Of course, you need those aerodynamics. Why is this the wrong way? I don't like that. Go. Right. Bam. That looks much better. Let me get that frame. And that's how you make a really crappy car. Aww. You ever had trouble with these panels? So if you go like this, or to do that, if you're like this, you basically got to be facing the way, like the way that you want it to. I don't know why I did that. So you can just, there we go. Looks better. You will have to change that direction, aerodynamicness. Pretty painful, but here we go. Oh, you gotta be joking me. How do we do this? There's no 3-piece. I guess we're gonna make our car longer for some reason. Oh yeah, there we go. Get some framage. Then copy it. Then we gotta move some dang blocks. Painful. Nope. 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 No. 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 You'll go in there. And I will force you to get in there. There you go. Thank goodness. There we go. That does not work. How are you supposed to do it? What? Yeah, maybe I just pretend there's not a hole there. It's fine. It's cool and it's cool in the engine. Ah, there we go. It's cool in the engine. There's things that stick out to block air and cool the engine. It makes sense. This is no. This is not no. Now oh, never mind. Now you can barely even see it. Now get on there. No, get out of my dang way. Thank you. Nope. Nope. Yes. Okay. Phew. Now this crappy car won't drive. Wait, what? Why is I'm pushing the W or forward button? And back to the drawing board. Why does this not work? What, is it facing the wrong way? What if I put that backwards? Yeah, will that fix it? So if this works, then those things need to go forward. That's not what I wanted to do. Yeah. Could be. Now maybe that will work? No, it does not. No, it does not. I am so confuzzled. Maybe I am facing the wrong way. That makes sense. Oh yeah, it's completely, steering wheel's right there. There we go. Now will that work? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? How does this work? No. How does that make any sense? Is it the engine? You want me to turn it maybe the other way? What if I do this? Is that better? What the frick? What? Wait, what? Maybe gotta do it this way. There we go. Nope. I am so confused. How does that make any sense. You know what? We'll just delete it. And we'll take one of our other magnificent designs. Look at this. I have too many. I'm going to start off with the tractor. One of my most proudest innovations, but my most two proudest are yet to come. Now let me show you this. Look, it actually drives properly. Look at me. You know, this thing's actually very fast. It's not faster, but it's fast top speed. 50 kilometers an hour. That's not good. And magnificent steering. And guess what? This one actually drives forward when I steer it to go, or when I step on the gas. It actually runs. It works. Amazing. Why don't that other one work? That makes 0 sense. Oh, alright then. That's new. Woo. I didn't want that, but okay. Now I need to try that jump. Oh no, not the treasure hunts. Missed treasure hunts by barely. I didn't touch it. You guys saw that. Everybody saw that. I'm not going to. Woo! Oh, you gotta be joking. Now, why don't we show a different car, you know? My second proudest. One of my first cars I ever built. I need this to be centered. Maybe this. Okay. The Red Arrow. My most aerodynamic car yet. Yep, my most aerodynamic. Now I have a smaller, super aerodynamic car. It's amazing. But why don't we test this out? This thing's crazy fast. Wait, hold on. Let me show you the engine size. I believe there are 2 massive Dragon engines. Don't ask me why they put that name. If you've been watching memes, then you know why it's weird. But anyways, this is the Red Arrow. Whoa, yeah. Yo, yeah. Okay, I'm done with that. Alrighty. Why don't we give this guy a spin? Has a top speed of 2. I'm just gonna pretend that never happened. But it can go 100 miles per hour, going backwards. Impressive! Ah! Whoa. Oh, yo, I can't even do that in real life. That's impressive. Yo, did you see that? You see that flips? Yo, that was some nice oh no. Okay. Yo, this is one of my hardest cars to control. It's too fast. I bet I can make her over water. Or not. No. Yeah, I'll just swim over here. Let's see how far it can go over water. Already 100 miles per hour and it's been like 3 seconds. I missed that. Yo, I made it to shore though. Look at that. Okay, B. I did not want that. Alrighty. Well, that was a very lost cause. Yo, look at this. Whoa. Yo, look how far I made it from. I made it from here and there. Impressive. Look at that. I'm not so bad at engineering after all. Just that engine doesn't work. Remember at the start of the video, it didn't work. Now, I will show you my most proudest invention yet. The mini car. Now, this is very small, yet very fast. You don't have to be big to have big dreams. Small personality, but big dreams. So look at this. Yo, 65 kilometers per hour. Ah, crap. My that didn't work. Oh. I know how to test this. This is a very big car compared to a person. Like it has almost 4 engines. Yo, look at this. Look how fast it is. If this game could turn all of this into miles per hour, this could be a car in real life. I'm not lying. It's not that bad. Except these tires are very slippery. I take long. Yeah, see? Yeah, whoa. Yo, I'm driving underwater. Or not. Ah. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for smacking me into a wall, game. Alright, well. That's this car. My most proudest invention. Let me show you the latest models of this type. So, let's just say this is the BR1 or the BC1. Let's call it the BR1. Yep. Here is the BR2. It's very different. Yeah. It has 4 engines. That's a big upgrade. Well, there's 2 right there. And there's 1 and then 2 others. It's a very powerful machine. And it doesn't have the best aerodynamics, but it keeps the tradition of the BRs. But this is the BR2. Not bad. Practically instant. Whoa. What's going on? It is very hard to control, which is why only professionals. See? You see what I mean? You see? Yo, that was some cool trick shots, though. But anyways, this car is very fast. And it's very much only good for racing. And, you could just take out, like, a couple engines to detune it for the road. But this is... Oh, and these cars are great. Amazing for drifting. Like, look at this. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's show you the BR... What? Introducing the BR3. This is the most aerodynamic of the legal cars for the road. Yes, it is street legal. Oh, and I do believe it has 1 Dragon engine. Yes. Now, Dragon engines, they produce a lot of power. So, and I've tested this. They're very hard to control with these wheels, but I mean, if let's say I replace this with a different wheel. You want to know how it looks stupid? Look at that. That's way too big. No. No, that doesn't look good at all. That is not the wheel I clicked on. So that's why we have this wheel, especially on this one. On any other models, especially the BR1, it looks pretty good with it, but it could look better. Yeah, this is the most powerful of the street legal ones. Alright, they're very hard to control. You should just click on a mouse. Well, you should just click. You could basically step on the gas for 1 second, and it could bring you all the way from Utah to Boston. It's crap. Yeah, you see? See what I mean? When they're slippery? They're not the best tires, but I like the tires, okay? Good. They look the best tires. I only give my customers the best. So this is the BR3, one of my most proudest inventions yet. It's very incredible. Now, why don't we show you the BR4, shall we? Introducing the one and only BR4. The BR4 is a more F1 styled, and unlike the previous models, it has more grippier tires, which are off-road wheels. Not the best grip on asphalt, but they get the job done. This is more for like F1 dirt racing, if F1 does dirt racing. I don't do that stuff. Now, anyways, the BR4, as you might know, it has one of the most aerodynamic cockpit or driver's seat in all of Trailmakers, and look at his wedge, my guy. Look at his wedge. It's like real F1. You basically can't do donuts. Like even on asphalt, it has amazing grip, which is why it has these special tires. Oh, but it can still lose control. Now, if I can land this perfect, that was not bad. Ah, dang it. This is a very powerful car, and you gotta be joking me. Is best for racing, and is not usually, and isn't, not to my knowledge, street legal. Oh, no. Let's repair that real quick. Now, red's not the best color. In my personal opinion, black for this. Whoa. You see that? Only at high speeds it can do that. Because it's out of control. Look at this paint job. Look how it's getting all rusted. But it has incredible grip. If you turn it even too far at high speeds, it's perfect for F1. Like, I'm just clicking on it, and I can avoid this entire thing. Almost. Look at that. I practically drift. This car has the best tires available, which makes it great for racing. In my next video, I will be building the BR5. Now, I have not currently done this yet, but don't worry at all. Oh, I will. I'll definitely do it. But first, why don't we do some experimenting. Why don't we take my latest invention, not a BR. It's not the BR5, but it's close. Introducing the BR342. Now, 342 is very excessive for this. This is more of a, let's just say, a more industrial BR car. It has 3 engines. Don't ask me why. I don't know. But it's for maximum speed. It is a very slow car, but can get the job done. Look at this. What's this? What is this? It is very easy to brake since, well, just look at it. If I bring this outside, let's bring it on a trip. Let's give it a test. It can be slow, but it has great control. It is hard to control, which is why skillful people. Why no? Why is this doing this? What the heck? Okay, what's going on? Yo, what's going on here? Yo, what the? What the frick? Hold on. Let me click this. Oh. Yo, what? No, what is going on, guys? Okay. You know, I will see you. Yeah, I will see you in the next video because I don't know what's going on here.